Lesson 87 in the Jazz Violin series. This one I'm just going to give a very practical tip. Some people get tripped up here. In the regular way that jazz happens, is applause is encouraged at any time, but usually politely after each solo. When you finish your solo, the audience usually goes, yay! And even though the song is going on, it's not like the classical world where everybody holds their applause. Do not applause even between movements of a symphony. No, you wait till the end. There's all these stipulations. And jazz is a little freer. People applaud whenever they feel like it, or hoot and holler. And usually it's the etiquette that the audience would applaud each soloist as they finish their solo. So, now the soloist might play right up to the beginning of the next chorus, and then people start applauding when it's your turn to start soloing. Do you start soloing regardless? It's my turn, so I'm just butting in there. Or do you wait for the applause to go by and then start your solo? It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool to give the previous soloists their due. It's like, hey, Joe did a great job, didn't he? But here's the rub. You can't get lost in the song. You got to keep listening. So it's almost like a split mind Zen kind of thing, to be aware of the room and what's going on and being communicative to your other performers and the audience and letting them applaud the person who just finished their solo, but also be listening to the song at the same time and not get lost and know where you're at. So this takes a little bit of focus. It takes a little bit of meditative approach. You got to be in the zone, even when you're letting people applaud. So no matter what's going on, you can't lose track of the song. It's frowned upon if you then try and start the song. If the band's been cooking for 4 or 5 measures and all of a sudden you decide to start, it's not the way it works. The song keeps playing, the whole band will get lost, and you need to stay on top of it and be in the zone and not get lost yourself. So allow things to happen and practice even starting late on purpose. It's not a bad thing. Like just start in the third measure or something and come in on an offbeat. It's good practice. And try and even, put on a tune like from iReal Pro software and answer the phone and not get lost. And or I can't answer your cell phone, but turn on the television and listen to a commercial and turn it off, and not get lost in the song. It's good practice. These things happen in real life in the bandstand.